Hello everyone, it's Stephanie Manley with Copycat.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make Rudy's Country Store and Barbecue Restaurant's well-known and much-loved creamed corn. I'm also going to show you how to do it in the Crockpot. The holidays are coming up, and you know what? During the holidays, there's never enough room in the oven, and the stovetops are always full, so it's time to grab your favorite Crockpot. So, what is in creamed corn? Well, guess what? There's some frozen corn in creamed corn, or at least in this recipe. We're going to put in two 16-ounce packages of corn. Now, if you can find it, frozen sweet corn will give this recipe a better flavor. If you can't, we're going to just have you add in a teaspoon or two of sugar, and it'll work just great. So what's next? Cream cheese. Cream cheese is going to help give the sauce in here a very velvety and creamy texture. I like to use the full fat kind. The light cream cheese will work okay, so use that if that's what you have on hand. What do we add in next? Okay, it's the holidays, right? So we're gonna add in 2 pints of heavy cream. Now I find that when I'm cooking for a long period of time, heavy cream tends to work the best, and it also enables you to be able to reheat this without the texture of the sauce breaking down. So 2 pints of cream cheese goes in here. And that is pretty much it, other than a little bit of seasoning. We're gonna season this very, very simply. We're gonna add in some salt and freshly ground black pepper. And that's it. Just pour that on top. And you are going to put the lid on this crock pot and cook it for about 4 hours on low. It really doesn't get any harder than that. So again, just put the lid on the crock pot, and in 4 hours, give it a stir, and there you go. You are going to have some fabulous creamed corn. I can't even tell you how easy that was to make. You don't even have to pay attention to it. So how does it taste? It tastes really, really good. The sweet corn in there gives it a great flavor. The heavy cream and the cream cheese makes a luxurious sauce that I know you're just gonna love. The salt and pepper is perfect. If you want to add in some like pimentos or something else to jazz it up, you can do that. But there you go. That's it for Rudy's Country Store Barbecue Creamed Corn. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and thank you for watching.